Obokoreri ase sekta y'obosombi nabo igo kororobia obosombi ase sekta iyo nigense ya Kenya egendete kubika emeroberi emeikerano okwana ritkoria rero nigo rutabwe aenekirio kobwaterana wense ya Kenya na Norway ase koenekia buna Goting'Ia bare oboncheri wetera koenekia na kibimeri bikuru ase ense ya Kenya gocha ase chinse chiri chisko.
Our two countries are maritime countries, as you have said. And there are opportunities that can be exploited between our two countries. Norway is a world leader on maritime activity, shipping, and related activities. Kenya, on the other side, is an emerging maritime nation with a huge human capital potential. And so you have a great maritime nation with many capabilities, but you also have a complementary country in the eastern coast of Africa who can partner with you with skills and competencies and human capital. Secondly, we have disruptions in the global supply chain and maritime routes. That is both a challenge and an opportunity. A challenge, of course, because it makes it difficult for us to move goods. It increases the cost of transport. It has, for example, occasioned very high fuel prices in our part of the world. But also it presents an opportunity that there could be possibilities of new partnerships. For example, there is limited shipping and transport capacity around our continent. We are now working on Africa Continental Free Trade Area. And I remember one occasion when we were trying to ship tea from Mombasa to Ghana. And it had to go somewhere in the Middle East first. And it took 45 days, you know. That presents an opportunity that there could be configurations on what new maritime routes can be established. And now with the challenge we have with that place called Hormuz, which has become famous all of a sudden. We didn't know about Hormuz until whatever happened in Iran happened. So I think it presents us with a new opportunity to look at what can Mombasa and your ports here, what can they do together? I know the CEO of our Mombasa Kenya Ports Authority in Mombasa and has been to see you people. Have been to Antwerp, they've been to many, and we are looking for partnerships between the port of Mombasa and the port of Lamu. There is opportunity for consideration, not just for human capital or people who can be trained to supply labor, but also new transport routes.